Sometimes going to the post office is a real drag because you inevitably get that, "Hey, how are you?" And you're supposed to say, "Fine, how are you?" Well, the reality is, and for today, for me, the answer is, I'm having a shitty day. So what do you do with that? Our society doesn't really allow for that. We're supposed to be happy and productive and awesome all the time. And busy. I hate that word, busy. When you're having a bad day, it's inevitable. Whether you're searching to prevent cancer or you have cancer, we're going to have really terrible days. What do you do? Well, the old me, I used to just go on a long run or go on a long bike ride or go skiing, or I literally was running from the pain of my past and my present. I never felt it. I ignored it. It was building up like a pressure cooker, and inevitably I exploded. And I would explode. I had a violent temper. Now I have better ways to deal with things like that. I feel into my pain. I cry, sometimes I laugh, sometimes I scream, sometimes I shake. It's okay. I let it happen. And by expressing those feelings, whether they're about something that happened terribly today, or something recently in the past, or something all the way back when I was a little girl and hurt, all those things need to be released. Unvent your pressure cooker. Find someone to talk to. If someone in your family can't help or a friend can't help, find a professional. Use emotional freedom technique or somatic experience. There's so many tools out there to release the pressure.